Thank you. We're going to proceed with the advanced feature with the optimizer. I think I would do a separate video for that. My apology, I couldn't fit that. Kind of restricted under 15 minutes. So let's first of all start the optimizer. Okay, we're just going to focus on the advanced feature. I think it's something important that I should make you aware of it. So let's double click on optimizer now to start it up. There you go. So now this is the advanced features are here under settings, as you can tell. I'm going to go there. Got a password. This is one thing. One of the features that we dreaded is that when we set customers, we set the accounts. A lot of the times we have to write all these features by hand, and these calls usually take about 45 minutes. That can be resolved in about, I would say, about 45 seconds, 60 seconds to the reset here. And let's do a reset right now. You'll notice that I will lose none of my settings. And there you go, reset. Let's call it smart resets. So that's gonna happen right now. Like I don't think I need to describe everything. Just sit down and watch yourself. Okay, this is all the settings here. Deleting the cache and cookie, deleting history. And this is the proper behavior here when it's actually resetting. That's right, it's resetting in the Explorer. Now it's finished. It's re-adding all this missing pop-up folders and all the stuff in there. And at the end, it's going to add the compatibility view site as well. It also makes sure there's no uncheck. It uncheck the security site because that's important. It's smart enough to know what to put in there to keep going further. And there you go now. It's going to re-add what was missing before. There's Desjardins. Those are external sites, right? It knows it's smart enough and knows. And that's it. Reset is done. Another feature that we have again, okay, I know we remember that we need to add this site in order for Internet Explorer to render properly. Well, it's kind of true and not true. Actually, manual has been having that problem for 8 years or so far. No one have ever solved it. I think, no, not bragging about it, but I solved the problem. I will show you that I'm removing all this site, manulife.com, and I should not have any problem at all on the site. Let me settings here. So I'm removing those. You need to have manulife.com, remember? So I'm going to set up compatibility view set under the GPO. Okay, that's how you script that, do that. And no matter what, you can lose into setting. You will never lose your site anymore. No, never. That's done. Okay, there you go here. Being run right now. Adding the site here. There you go. Site's been added. You can notice here right there before I did that them. So now you notice I don't have this site any longer here. Okay, they are gone. Okay, so I remove them manually. I'm not adding them just for it's not there. So now if I were to go under the site here, web source site, and I were to log in there, okay, I should technically not be able to view um, the setting here for the C center. Let's see what happened here when I log in. What happened here? I'm still waiting in here. Come on. Waiting on the site here. Okay, finally. Okay, C center is the site now. Web source is not done to be the fastest site, but it's pretty robust. Okay, so normally I should have something coming up right now. Wait. There you go. So there you go. My site is here. I'll be able to read it and all site. Normally, that's all my sites here are rendered properly. It's just because the site was a little bit slow here. So you see, look at that. My site is rendering properly, and I don't have manulife.com. Okay, that's the first here. It's rendering properly. I have all my stuff in there. There you go. my credit and stuff on my graph. Without manulife.com, you should not be able to see that. Okay, see, there's no manulife.com in here. The reason why the manulife.com have been created and added into the GPO. Okay, that's done. Second feature that's been resolved. Okay, I want to show you that one here. It's important. That it's a problem for us like every month. Okay, when Manulife does an update, what it do, it goes in there and automatically change that setting to check. So whenever it's checked it there, it doesn't remove. It stay there permanently, no matter what. No matter what, and it stay there permanently. So right now, if I go back here and go in there here, that's in there all the time. But I resolved that now. I have a way to fix that. And I'm going to show you now. You see, even though I go there, close my Internet Explorer, no matter what, that check mark going to be there all the time, no matter what you do. That's true, but that's not exactly true. I find a way to resolve it permanently. We will create a low service, and that issue should not be there. See here? There. See that? Well, I find a way to resolve that too. So there's a little application. You see that HTTPS? If I check it right now, there you go. It's activated on the browser. Now, if I go here and go check and see what's happening here in the security here, I checked it. It's no longer there. Let me put it back now. Okay, let's go back there again. Not there. Let me put it back again. That's important because, see, in that way, once you have that set up in the browser, no matter what update the customer is going to have, it's always going to uncheck it, no matter what. So I check it again. Let me go back now again. It's no magic here. No longer. Done. So even though if I check it, I close my things here. I close the optimizer. I close the browser. Start it again. It's there permanently until the customer says it doesn't want it. If they call, they say they don't want that. They want HTTPS, which I doubt. But you never know. Customer asks for funny things. So sometimes the request could be way out of board. But there you go here again. If I go here, check for security system in here, and put it again. Close my browser. Go back again. So that's been, these are all the things that, there's 3 things that have been fixed permanently here. Again, it's not there. So if I put it again, gosh, I don't know what to do. No longer there. I can even reboot my computer. It's no longer there. It's there. There you go. It's not there. So 2 things have been fixed permanently. Okay, take that on mind here. If I start the system here, 2 things have been fixed permanently. It's important for you to realize here. The compatibility issue has been fixed permanently, and also the HTTPS issue have been fixed permanently. Also, the reset is our advanced feature here under the applications. So these advanced features probably going to be used by agent. Okay, so if the customer wants that to be fixed permanently, it's there. If you want the HTTPS fixed permanently, that system tell me when I see that check mark here, it tell me my computer has been fixed properly. Have been HTTPS fixed. So that's mean, whatever machine you run it, it will know from starting or not if it's been fixed or not. It's another feature here you can add. Let's say, for instance, someone delete by mistake here some of the site here without knowing. No biggie here, no big deal if you lose it here. Oh, not a big deal. Just click there, get all your stuff back. For instance, a customer, you don't want to add certain sites. Let's say if you had a site called, you can add site on the fly. Let's say you call that manu1.com. You can add them, and depending on what you want to add them, the trusted or the pop-up, whatever you want to add them. You want to add them on the trusted or pop-up only, you just add them in here. Don't want this site to be in there? By no means, just delete them. There you go. So all these just features here, and you can just go back here and return to the main menu. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and